Hello kids, how are you? Are you surprised to see me here as I don't teach you? Okay, so let me first introduce myself. I am Shivani and today we are going to discuss on a very interesting topic. First, let me ask you, are you having fun at your home? Are you enjoying? I hope you all are enjoying and having fun. And also troubling your mama and papa? Okay, so I will tell you something new interesting topic that will also help you to impress others and your mama papa. So today we are going to discuss on table manners. So you know why table manners? Why do we need to discuss on this topic? What are table manners? Whenever you just have your meal or whenever you are outside your home, you are in some restaurant or you are attending some parties and you just have your meals or you are on your dining table, there are some etiquettes that you have to follow. Why is that so? Why we have to follow these etiquettes? Why are there some do's and don'ts that you have to follow while having your meal? Because you know etiquettes means behaving yourself a little better than is absolutely essential, which means it will not only impress others, that will also help you to present yourself in front of others. So today we are going to discuss on table manners. So let's start with the discussion on this topic. So first thing first, are you ready to have your dinner? Make sure you have to come to the table with clean hands and face. Because you know, whenever we have our food, we have germs on our hands. All the day we just touch many things and many bacteria, many germs, they just stick to our hands. And whenever we eat food without washing our hands, that germs will enter into our body. You should always wash your hands before having food. So the first thing that you should keep into your mind is that you always wash your hands before your meal. Second thing that you should keep in your mind is pray before your meal. Why is that so? Because we should pray before our meal because God wants us not to forget that it is Him that sustains us and brings us the blessings of food. You know, whenever food comes in front of us, we forget all other things, especially God. Because of Him, we get our food. So, before every meal, you should pray to God. Next important thing is to set your table. When you are having your food, you can see here you have some cutlery that you have to use in a specific manner. So here you can see you have a fork, knife and spoon. So you have to arrange all these things in the same way that is being shown here. I am giving you example of how to eat bread. First cut the bread with the knife neatly and then pierce the fork into the bread. Now shift the fork in your right hand and eat it. This is how to eat noodles. For this you have to take fork and a spoon because you know noodles are the hardest thing to eat. Then use the fork like this, turn the fork like this, have some noodles over the fork and take this much amount and then eat. Next thing that you should keep in your mind is eat healthy food. Because you know a healthy outside starts from the inside. A good nutrition is an important part of leading a healthy lifestyle. For this, you have to eat food which is rich in nutrients like fruits, vegetables, balanced diet. They all play a very important role in our life. They makes us fit, keep our body healthy. So always eat healthy food and avoid junk food. You know what is junk food? Let me show you. So here you can see these are the junk foods. Pizzas, burgers, fries. These food when we eat, they do not give us any nutrition, but they only make us full. That may cause obesity. That may cause stomach infection. So we should avoid junk food and we should eat healthy food only. The thing that you should keep in your mind is you always ask for your food politely. You can ask, please serve me my food, or you can say, please pass on that food. So you should be very polite at dining table. You should drink a lot of water in the whole day, because you know, drinking water makes us healthy. It helps to easily digest our food and to maintain the balance of body fluids. But very important thing that you should keep in your mind, you should not drink water in between your meals. Whenever you have your food, don't drink water in between your meals. That will affect your digestive system. That will make you difficult to digest your food. So drink a lot of water, but don't drink it in between the meals. Thing that you should keep in your mind is not to waste food. So don't waste food. Take as much as you can have in your plate, because food is present in limited amount. So if you will waste your food, then others will not be able to get it. So always take that much amount of food that you want to eat.
Sit straight while eating food. A proper sitting posture will help your stomach to digest the food properly. Try not to move too much when you are on the table. It may disturb the people sitting beside you, and it can also spill your food. So do not create mess on the dining table. Place a napkin on your lap before you eat food. You can use it to wipe your mouth gently while eating or drinking. Don't slurp while having food or drink. Don't hurry at your meal. Chew your food properly, because if you will chew your food properly, it will help you to easily digest your food. Don't leave the table until everyone else has finished. Else you can say excuse me when you are finished with your food. Or you can also use pardon me if you spill or drop something on your dining table, or you have done that is not supposed to be done. So after finishing your food, wash your hands again, wipe your hands, and you are done.
So kids, I hope the table manners that I have shared with you will help you to develop your personality and to present yourself whenever you have your meal. So follow these rules and improve yourself. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.